South Korea's two biggest tech companies beat market expectations in the first quarter, logging their highest ever quarterly sales. For Samsung, the record figure is attributed to a strong showing for its chip and smartphone businesses. LG's performance was led by its home appliances and auto parts. Eum Ji-young has more.
Samsung Electronics for the third straight quarter has logged its highest ever sales for respective quarters. The South Korean tech giant announced on Thursday that its sales from January to March jumped 19% on year, amounting to a record $61 billion, reaching an all-time high in quarterly sales. Samsung also said its operating profit for the first quarter stands at roughly $11 billion, up more than 50% on year. Samsung attributed the rise to its smartphone and home appliance businesses, recording their highest quarterly sales since 2013. Analysts say, despite the first quarter usually being a slow time of the year, robust sales of semiconductors and displays led to the strong earnings performance.
Better performance of memory, semiconductor and foundry businesses has largely driven Samsung Electronics' solid earnings. Flexible OLED also recorded better than expected earnings, which led Samsung Display to post robust sales.
The analyst also said the earnings are expected to be higher in the coming months as Samsung Electronics conventionally enters its peak season in the second half of the year. Meanwhile, LG Electronics also posted earnings that were far better than market expectations. It logged an all-time high quarterly sales of around $17 billion, a surge of around 19% compared to the same period a year earlier. The operating profit for the period came to a record of about $1.5 billion, up over 6% on year. The company said sales for its home appliances and air solution businesses hit record highs in quarterly sales in the first 3 months of this year. One analyst says LG's auto parts division managing to reduce losses has contributed to the strong earnings performance.
LG Electronics auto parts have reached economies of scale and its losses significantly shrank as the product mix became more profitable with a rise in powertrains and headlamps.
He added that in the second quarter, the company's auto parts division is expected to turn into a profit-making business. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.